Good morning once again. So class, today we will be studying from page number 10 because yesterday we have started new chapter and then till page number 10 the introduction of the desktop we have done. Now we will be proceeding. The next topic is icons. Yesterday I already explained you when we will open the computer, this window will be appearing. You will be able to see this kind of thing when you open when we start the computer. So these small things, this is called as icons. Now we will be studying it. The small images on the desktop are called icons. Whatever I have underlined, you have to underline it in your book also. So whenever you are, whenever I am explaining, please take a pencil in your hand. So small icons on the small images on the desktop are called as icons. When we double click an icon, a window opens or a program gets executed. When we double click it, how we will be doing the double click? With the help of the mouse. Then double click is done with the help of mouse. When we double click on any icon, a window opens or that program gets executed. Some icons may represent a file or a folder. All the icons are not of same. Some can be files, some can be folders, some can be of different types also. We save our work in files in a computer. Whatever thing we are doing, we are saving them in a kind of a file. A folder is a collection of such files. Major thing is what? A folder. In the folder, there are different kinds of files. When we save it, we give it the name. As of date already we have given, or by our name or by the work we are doing, we can give the name of that particular file, and that is saved in a folder. So if the question is arised, what is a folder? So the answer will be a folder is a collection of such files. Now some common icons. Now can you see, children, this computer, my computer, you can see in the if you are having the laptops, you can see it very nicely. Or if you can recognize the lab where we have gone in the lab also, all the desktop computers or all the computers are having this my computer. Every computer or laptop will have this my computer, because in this all the drives are there. Then recycle bin. Already recycle bin is what? When we delete a particular thing, it goes inside this. Then it is a folder. Already I explained you, folder is what? Whatever we are saving through a file, it is saved in a particular type of folder. Then the next is file MS Word. This, if you see this kind of icon with a W thing, it means your file is saved in MS Word. MS Word, where will we get MS Word? We will get from MS Office. So if we have created an file and we have made anything in MS Word, it will be, the icon will be like this and it will be written like this. So these are the few examples of the icons. Then the next thing is, we will go to the taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. Now you see this. Can you see this screen? Yes. Figure 2.2. This is the long horizontal bar. What is this? Long horizontal bar. It is known as a taskbar. What is it known as a taskbar? Here the taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. If in exam or in this one, any test, the question will be arising, what is a taskbar? The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. The taskbar is divided in following sections. Now the taskbar is divided in following sections. Please see figure 2.4. This is the start button. Everybody knows this. Then this is a quick launch icons. Quick launch icons you will be studying further. Notification area where we can see the date, time and all, and show desktop button. Show desktop button. So in 4 things it is divided, 4 sections it is divided. Taskbar is divided in 4 sections: start button, quick launch icons, notification area and show desktop button. Now we will be studying in detail. Start button, it appears at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. When we click this button, a list of options or program appears. This list is called as the start menu. What we will do is, start button everybody knows is, so it appears at the bottom of the left corner. Can you see the screen? Here it is the left corner and you can see the start button. Now the next one, quick launch icons. This is the middle section of the taskbar. It shows labeled button for each open application which we can click to make it visible. Either you want to maximize it or you want to minimize the desktop. You can add or remove shortcuts in quick launch folder so that you have an easy access to items for the quick launch toolbar that you frequently use. Now this is for the big users. Big users means those who are having all the day work at the laptops or computers. So every day if they want to open Microsoft Word, for example, so they will create a shortcut and they will put it here in the quick launch icon so that they will just click it and then it will be opened directly. For that they don't have to go to the start button, then open the all programs, MS Office and then go to the MS Word. For that they can create it and they can create the shortcut it here. So this was quick launch icon. Then notification area. The notification area is located at the right end of the taskbar and it contains apps icons that provides status and notification about things like incoming, email, updates and network connectivity. Now this is what it is, a notification area. In this what it is showing, if any mail is coming it will pop up. Then if any updates are there it will show you the update, or if there is a network connectivity it will show you. The battery option is also there if the battery is there inside the laptop or in any other thing. So this was notification area. You can see it here. This is here. It is not visible. If you have computers or laptops at home you can see it here. Then come to the last one, show desktop button. It is a thin rectangular strip present on the extreme right of the taskbar. We can click this button to minimize all open programs and reveal the desktop. Now see this show desktop button right to the corner. What it does is, it is a rectangular kind of a strip present extreme right. Extreme left is what? Start button. And extreme left is what? Show desktop button. We can click on it and minimize all the things whatever we are doing. If we don't want to show it to any other person, if you are going for some just to drink water or to go for washroom and you don't want to show that what you are doing, so for that you can do it. You can click on this show desktop button and you can hide all the things. Again when you will come back you will click on that and that thing will be as it is opening. There from there we have switch it off. So these are the 4 sections of the taskbar. Today we will do it till here. Please revise till the lesson till page number 11. Okay, till then class. Okay, bye bye, thank you.